Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Mart at your superstore, and let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this is the much needed thing over here in Dwarka Expressway, and yes, we are here. Different varieties of biscuit, as you can see, from hide and seek to marigold, and from Parle G to Good Day. Yes, of course, we have so many varieties over here, and not only in biscuits. If we see, like, we have a lot of snacks over here, different kinds of chips we have over here. So you can see we have different brands of everything. We have Everest, we have ketchup, we have MDH, and so on. You can have a look, and I'm sure you will love the varieties and the brands over here. You can find everything over here at one place. So people, you can see the different oils over here, which of course is the necessity of the kitchen in today's time, from olive oil to groundnut oil, and yes, of course, we have many things to show. So there is another section over here which is full of toiletries. You can see we have the toothpaste, we have the soaps, we have the toothbrushes, we have the shampoos, we have the conditioners. Everything you can find over here, ladies and gentlemen. So there is another section of toys. See, you can find every kind of toy over here. So ladies and gentlemen, over here we have again another section which is of stationery, where you can come along with your kids. So everyone, let's come to this section which is full of beauty products for men and women both. And again we have another section which is full of inner garments for men and women again. And let me come to the most important and the basic ones, that is the home decor and the utensils. So yes, you can find them all here all together. Hi sir, first of all, heartiest congratulations for your grand store. So tell me, what is the idea behind?
Idea behind opening this store is because we are working in this area from last 9 years. So I know that around 5,000 to 6,000 families have moved already over here, and there is not even a single supermarket as big as which we have launched on Dwarka Expressway. So we want to facilitate all our customers. So we plan to open this, and we also want to make this mall as live, because after COVID we wanted that now everything should come to normal. So we plan to open this store as a first store in Gurgaon, and we planned it and opened it in our mall only.
Well, great idea, sir. And moreover, I would like to know what is your forecast vision about this store, like where you want to take it in future.
I have opened a new chain by the name of Smart Mart, and my vision is to minimum make 5 stores a year, and within next 5 years we want that we should have at least 30 to 40 stores.
That's great and huge. Well, for that we wish you all the best and best of luck, sir. Thank you so much.